Huh, if Call Me Carson can get a girlfriend, I can also get one. Edit, I got rejected. Hey everyone, my name is Jake and welcome to r/youngpeopleyoutube, where we look at young people on YouTube being young people and just not understanding anything. Oh, and here's a quick disclaimer. When Dan is having a baby, yeah! When you realize what he had to do to get that baby. Ooh. Yeah, guys, please don't say what he did out loud. It's really rude. Just don't say it. Don't. Barry Steak Fries Takes to the Skies. Oh, I used to like that game. Joe White. Barry, please kill my little sister. Oh. Stop disliking my videos. I can hack you. 10,000 dislikes. I am terrified of this man. Please, guys, like my video. Don't dislike it. Like it, and I won't hack you. I swear. Billy's relationship. Brother and sister help each other. Me with my brother. You took my Doritos, motherfucker. They have a point here. Weird sounds in Mum's room. Oh no, poor kid. I hope his mum finds this video though, that'd be funny. Blind myself with a lamp for no reason, part 3. Oh, I can't wait for part 4, guys, can you? Africa by Toto a cappella, full version. Not gonna lie, this is the only Logan on YouTube that matters, and this video is amazing. Kid, we can have we, Mom. We. Already we home have. Mom. Thanks. Edit. Words like 100. 168 likes. Did he just have a stroke? Found this while on YouTube. I've never felt so bad in my life. I can't imagine being in a constant state of pain and not being able to move. This is so heartbreaking. It's my birthday today. The YouTube dislike button, it just doesn't do anything, does it? Why even bother disliking? Spelling bad words on a TI-84 plus calculator, part 2. Frick. I really hope his teacher didn't see this because he would be getting big trouble. Found this on a Peppa Pig video. Stop being racist. It is because I'm black, isn't it? Why was this guy watching Peppa Pig anyway? 1 minute 20. That kid is such a snitch. Edit. Holy moly, 160 likes? He's right though, that kid is a snitch. Damn, I have got to stop doing acid. Is this young people YouTube? It doesn't seem too likely, does it? Saying chicken nuggets for 2 whole minutes. Come on, Marky Mon TV. That's a mad lad moment right there. How does he do it? Push-ups in 5 minutes 36. Thank me later. Edit, thanks for so many likes. 10 likes. And the comment isn't even edited. Mr. Beast said the F word. Stop saying the F word. Blowing nose. That was my emoji translation. Mr. Beast would never say the F word though, let's be honest. I'm only saying bad word because my mum is in the store. I kinda wanna know what word he said. He better not have said frick, otherwise I will have to dislike and report. Psst, my grandfather held his breath for 50 years, and he's still going. Ah, you are such a liar, you liar liar pants on fire. They're probably right, to be fair. They are a liar liar pants on fire. Why does my tongue feel weird when I suck on a charger? Oh no. Oh, I think this is from a Brody video. Yo mama, so ugly. She's the reason Geometry Dash players don't stop moving. Like so Brody can see. Oh look, it's the default dance that was made by Poison. Fortnite Battle Royale was made in 2017. How did this man know Fortnite 13 years ago? First of all, this was made in 2006, but Fortnite was made in 2011. Are they from the future? I like how they can't even entertain the idea that, you know, Fortnite didn't come first. Iron Man dying, where boys cried, and Sergeant Ark Dornan saying, apology for bad English. Where were you when Club Penguin died? I was at house eating Dorito when phone rang. Club Penguin is killed. No. When men cried. This guy was in denial the whole time. Poor man. Bruh. She has his baby teeth, so the tooth fairy is not real? I'm confused. Oh, wait till he finds out about Santa. Nyan Cat. Why this our comedy? Because Nyan Cat is epic funny comedy? Duh. Juice WRLD is my inspiration to make depression music. And I'ma be the next Juice WRLD. Also, I'm only 11, but wait until I can get a job. My rapper name is gonna be Lil Juice. It's good to have dreams. Yeah. The chicken nugget kid found himself. I'm on r/youngpeopleyouTube. Oh, we've been busted, guys. Five Nights at Freddy's, funny images I've made. I want pizza. That is pretty funny. Good job, keep it up. Stingy says, All-Star plays, All-Star lyrics, somebody, spaghetti guy, touch my spaghetti. I too remember January 2018. A video from Fred. 1 minute 30. That's my mum when she walks into my room and sees me watching Fred. Well, their mum clearly doesn't know how much of an icon Fred is. Who still plays Minecraft in 2019? I do, weirdo. Yeah, take that, weirdo. You will never guess who is amazing and awesome. Read the first two words. You will. Oh, how did they know my name is Will? Me is watching this video, class. Teacher. Hey, no phones in class. What are watching? Me. Shows video. Teacher. Never mind. You may continue. How does this have 243 likes? Yo mama, so chocolatey. Milk. Take that, losers. I just got a 33-second ad for some kid's YouTube channel. How does this guy have ads? I barely get ads. I think this is from a Roblox hacking video. Your hack is great, but there is a problem is that Roblox doesn't leave the hack, here the link. file://c:/users/admin/pictures/captura.png. Please tell me you just didn't try to freaking share a file with the name in a YouTube comment section. Wow, would you look at that, guys? 2 very appetizing videos. Gonna have to click at least one of them, like you are right now. Click 'em. Click it.